Surecrete Design Products, How To, Dura-Kote Flakes. Every Dura-Kote Flakes product begins with the right prep. In this case, the flake system is going over an existing epoxy or urethane coating. To achieve the proper profile, a 100 grit sanding screen is selected for the rotational floor machine that operates somewhere between 125 and 300 RPM. Other substrates may require additional steps. Consult the spec sheet for details of surface prep. Remove the dust created through sanding by vacuuming. Follow vacuuming with a solvent wipe. Utilize a microfiber wipe with denatured alcohol. Dura-Kote Flakes systems require a binder coat that may be either Dura-Kote Pigmented Epoxy 100 or Dura-Kote Pigmented Water-Based Epoxy. Dura-Kote Pigmented Water-Based Epoxy is selected here. Exercise care to avoid pouring product down the sides of the pail, as this will be difficult to mix with Part A. Mechanically mix both parts A and B with a Jiffy-style mixer blade for 3 minutes at medium speed. The Dura-Kote Flakes binder coat requires that the installer work in spiked shoes or sandals. Pour out the mixed product into the prep surface in a fairly long trail. Product is spread with attention given to coverage rate. Other tools may be used for spreading, but an 18-inch roller equipped with a 3/8-inch nap roller sleeve can both spread and back roll the binder coat. After coverage rate is achieved, back roll in the opposite directions. While the binder coat is still wet, approximately 10 to 20 minutes, begin broadcasting of Dura-Kote Flakes. The applicator must work in spiked shoes throughout the broadcasting. Toss by hand the Dura-Kote Flakes upward so that they float down to the wet binder coat. Broadcast sufficient flakes to rejection. Completely cover the surface. Allow the floor to dry sufficiently, usually 8 to 10 hours. Scrape the floor vigorously with a metal floor scraper to remove excess Dura-Kote Flakes. Utilize a stiff push broom to help this process. The leftover flakes may be gathered and bagged for use on another project. The Dura-Kote line has several choices for a finished coat. PFC 120 is selected often for its ease of installation, quick cure time, and high gloss. The mix ratio is 4:1, 4 parts A to 1 part B. Combine parts A and B and mix thoroughly for 30 seconds. Apply PFC 120 with a good quality, solvent-resistant mohair roller in a thin coat. Work in an area that can comfortably be covered with the material on a wet roller. As the roller begins to dry out a little, back roll the same area. Saturate the roller again and cover another similar sized area, maintaining a wet edge between the two areas. Learn more at surecretedesign.com.